MACH3 Pro, the ultimate ride-on sweeper. The new MACH3 Pro is a combination of technology and innovation that permits the operator to quickly clean large areas whilst working in total comfort and at low cost. The machine's manual functions guarantee low maintenance and longevity, while easy-to-use controls ensure incredibly intuitive operation. The compact design and high productivity mean the MACH3 Pro is perfectly adapted to both confined spaces and large floor areas. The wide sweeping path and high speed guarantee impressive cleaning capacity. Its small turning radius makes the MACH3 Pro particularly suitable for sweeping in narrow places, inaccessible to larger machines. The controls are simple and ergonomic. A single foot pedal controls forward and reverse traction. The levers to lower and raise the main and side brushes are located on the control panel, alongside the electric filter shaker and vacuum filter isolation, which is used during the sweeping of damp surfaces. The main brush is 70 centimeters in length and features Mach's multi-bristle design, with different sized bristles to effectively pick up both heavy debris and fine dust. The special chevron bristle pattern directs dirt into the center of the brush, eliminating any left-behind side debris even around turns. The floating main brush is self-leveling and is easily adjusted or substituted without the need for tools. This, combined with the retractable and anti-shock side brushes, guarantees a perfect clean even on rough and uneven surfaces. The lifting front flap can be conveniently activated from the driver's seat, enabling the pickup of bulkier waste. The MACH3 Pro is equipped with a polyester house filter, which effectively retains fine dust. It is anti-static and washable, and has a much longer life than traditional filters. Cleaning the filter is safe and easy with an automatic shaker, ensuring the operator is never exposed to dust. The large hopper has a capacity of 85 liters, allowing the MACH3 Pro to work for long periods of time without having to stop and empty. The container is in steel, not plastic, and is fitted with large wheels, a comfortable handle, and removable baskets for quick and easy emptying. The petrol version has hydraulic traction on the front wheel for greater maneuverability and power, enabling the MACH3 Pro to work even on steep gradients. The powerful 6.5 horsepower Honda engine delivers enhanced performance and greater durability. It also benefits from a worldwide service network. In the electronic version, it is possible to also mount forklift batteries for increased uptime and exceptional productivity. Its powerful electronic traction is silent, permitting the MACH3 Pro to work at a minimal noise level. An onboard industrial vacuum cleaner can be fitted, which delivers greater power than built-in bypass systems for the cleaning of shelves and other areas inaccessible to the sweeper. The solid metal frame is painted with epoxy powder, guaranteeing additional protection against impact, scratches, and rust. In the total steel version, a strong steel casing protects the machine body, and reinforcements safeguard the drive wheel and side brushes. This enhanced protection allows the MACH3 Pro to work in even the toughest environments. Maintaining the MACH3 Pro is extremely simple. The hood of the machine fully lifts up to provide full access to the battery compartment, motor, and other internal parts. MACH3 Pro, the ultimate ride-on sweeper.